Hey, I'm 𝗬𝗶, and I've just finished the 500-hour course here at Vinyasa Yogashala. What can I say? Epic, amazing, phenomenal. What an experience. I came without any yoga knowledge, so it was really throwing myself in at the deep end. I was a little bit reluctant because, of course, everybody else was had more experience. But going through the whole process, of course, the people are the things, and both the students and the teachers and the management and the staff and all of the people that go to make this possible have just been phenomenal from the get-go. Super generous in terms of extending help and love, and really dedicated to ensuring that the course is really nourishing, and that you really grow. Every moment was such a growth experience on so many levels. So anybody sort of thinking of coming here, I wholeheartedly recommend it. The food is absolutely incredible. The people who make the food are incredible. The location is just extraordinary. It's I mean, I'm not going to do it justice by trying to convey the feeling that you get here. It's incredible. The excursions as well. We went to waterfalls. We went to see the sunset. Some incredible temples. We went rafting on the Ganges. What an absolute joy. Once again, the whole thing's been amazing and incredible, and feel very blessed and grateful. Thank you so much.